Hello and welcome to the Panda stream. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's play some standard reanimate enchantments. Goody 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 goo. Okay, what have we here? Opponent goes first, but we have the combo in hand. Okay, let's try it. No interactions, could be hard. Let's see what our opponent is playing. Yep, we need a land. Okay, Ace Mind Tone. Next turn we're playing Kiora, the Rising Tide. Let's say hello, my friendo. Let's discard the Omnisciences. Okay, he's drawing a card. Authority of the Consuls. Drawing a card again. Ooh, baby. Ah, shit. Should have first used that. Yeah, that was a little mystic on my side. Because... Yes. Okay, he has 4 mana. He's ramping like crazy. Okay. Let's play Omniscience. I have to put my cat out. Okay. Let's play Atraxa. He's getting alive. Let's see what's on top. Atraxa, nice. First, let's attack. Let's end the turn. Okay, opponent, show me what you got. Five mana, probably a board wipe is coming. Destroy all other creatures, okay. Let's get the Atraxa again to play. Lightning bolt. Just 2 steps ahead that I can counter a spell. Oh, counter spell would be good. The hell? So, what do we need? The hell? Let's play one with the Multiverse. Let's play Kiora ultimate. Oh, nice. Lightning Helix. Do we have again a Lightning Helix? What's in the graveyard? Some Omnisciences. Let's play Breastonville again. Discard those 3 lands. 12 cards, okay. That should be enough. Let's counter that. Okay, 4 mana left. He's attacking, giving me 3 poison counters. Let's counter that spell. And GG. He has seen enough. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Opponent goes first, okay. No more lies and Kiora the Rising Tide. Okay. Oh, let's keep. Ooh, baby. Against the ramp, do I need the second blue source? I'm getting some punishment. He's ramping like crazy. We are re-ramping like crazy. Let's play Kiora. What should I discard? Excel spell. Oh, Lightning Helix, nice. Should I go all in? Let's go all in. Does he have protection spells? That's the question. He can do a lot of damage. Probably has a remove with a Kiora. Just 1 mana short. Get the life back. Okay, now I only need come on, please. Okay, there's this. Come on, baby. It's not what I wanted. And I play her, I cannot counter anymore. Should I play her? Has probably a removal. How many damage? 6, 7, 8. 8 damage. Holy crapperino. Missing freaking 1 mana. Probably removal. Yeah, go for the throat. Can I counter it? Don't think so. So 2 blue sources. I'm missing a blue source. Okay. Okay, he's coming in. This means this is my last turn. 3 mana left, okay. And that's 3. This gets 1 card, okay. Single discard, the rest tunneler. Come on! Yes, baby. Discard a card. Okay, let's discard that. Let's play that for 0. Confirm 0. Let's get some Omniscience. Let's get an Atraxa down. Okay, tunnel. One is the Multiverse. We can recharge. And of course a land. Okay, first let's get some life back. Oops, in the grave enchantment. Okay. Let's see what's the top card. Okay, that's a land. Land again. Alternative casting costs. GG! Okay, let's try again. Yeah, discard. Okay, block, but no red source. Let's try it. I hope we'll draw a red source. Or else we're getting fucked. Nope. We need a land. Oh, nice sleeves. Okay, normalize, no, not bad, but we need a red source. Come on, we need a land, please give me a land deck. Love the art. Let's counter that bullshit. Oh, nice. Should I discard the Lightning Helix? Yeah, I need a land. Okay, duress. Duress me one more time, baby. Maybe should have discarded the Atraxa too. Should have. Lower elves love the... Okay, let's see. Okay, land, perfect. Okay, he has to get rid of Kiora. Okay, he can destroy some artifacts. And he can exile a graveyard. Holy crap, Arena. That was it. It's no attacks. Okay. Oh, I think that broke my bone. Should I trade? Yeah, let's trade. Holy flip, come on, I need a discard spell. All those nice cards are in the graveyard. No, that's not nice. That is not nice. Yeah, let's use on top decking, yeah. One turn, then it's GG, I think. And a deep cavern bat. Getting my Atraxa. Yeah. My last turn. Come on. Please. Top deck something good. Yeah, that's not enough. That's not enough. Defeat. Okay, let's try again. Ready. Go. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, yeah, I think this is fine. No 2-mana spell. Let's keep it. We're beginning first, so. Second blue source. I need a second blue source. Oh, that's not good. Okay, should I discard? One is the Multiverse and one's 3 steps ahead. Okay, flashing in some creatures. Is Embercleave an option? Okay, Parrot again. to play that. No attacks. Ah, shit, I'm dead. Gives it trample. Let's block here. I do not have an enchantment on the graveyard. What do I have? Oh yeah, I have an enchantment already. Okay, he's tapped out, okay. It's the top card, okay, nice. The Omniscience, let's play it again. Who? I've played. What's in the graveyard? Can get. Oh, nice. Okay, I can get Omniscience again, but I think that doesn't work anything. Let's get rid of that, yeah. Huh, has he some protection spell? Probably. Maybe eliminating those nasty parrots. I should have eliminated them. Yeah. Can he do certain damage to me? You should have eliminated that. Yeah, probably. Maybe I need some board viability back. 5 life, okay, that's the top there card. See no ones. Shit, I'm missing cards. Oh, baby. Nice. Let's go Atraxa, let's get that. We need some blockers. Let's get some life. GG, my friend. GG. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.